watch our video. We're gonna fix this micro trimmer. So Dad will fix it and I will fix.
I'm gonna replace.
Please subscribe our video.
Okay.
So it's your turn.
Thank you, son. Hi everyone, welcome back to our small engine repair tutorial. Today we have this Ryobi trimmer, and today we're going. Yes, Ryobi trimmer. And today we're going to show you how to replace the trimmer head or replace the bump knob. Okay, let's get started.
Let's get started.
Okay, now. So we have this old trimmer head here, which is worn out bump knob. So to remove this one.
No, we got this long trimmer head.
Yeah. Okay.
No, wait, no.
So you have your own.
No, we got this long trimmer head.
Okay. To remove the trimmer head, just press the two tabs. The locking tabs at the back. So sometimes you can't press this one. You have to push this to push the bump knob to be able to press the locking tab. So let's take the bump knob out and take the spool. And so we have this spring here. If you just want to replace the bump knob,
where does it go?
Just place the spool and a new replacement bump knob, and the old this locking cover here.
Cover.
So that's
Over
there.
This is a cover.
Yeah, it's cover. Now
This is a cover.
to replace the complete trimmer head, just do the same thing. Just take the old trimmer head spring, and we have this bolt here. So we need to remove the bolt using the M13 socket. Just undo the bolt, rotate it counterclockwise for the left hand type bolt, usually used for bench shop. And if you use it with the straight shaft, the straight shaft normally is using the right hand bolt. So for this one, to undo this one, is counterclockwise. Just undo it counterclockwise. Then remove the bolt and just pull the head. So yeah. So now to replace with the new head, we have this trimmer head here.
Did this.
Do it. Just press the two locking tabs, and the spool is preventing the tab from pushing. So you have to push the bump knob, and you can press the tab and take it out. So just take the spool out and just that spring. And we need to also to remove this one, because this is designed for straight shaft. So this one has a right hand bolt. So to undo this bolt, you have to rotate it clockwise. Yeah. So remove the stud there.
I take this.
And so before you place the spring, we have to place the trimmer head, head first. Okay. Place the head, and then your original left hand bolt. Screw it.
It's okay.
So just rotate it clockwise to tight it.
The
See the
cover.
M13. So just switch that one there so we can tight it. So once it's tight, so we have to put the spring, but this one we have to take the string out.
Okay.
So we'll put this one once we put the cover.
Okay.
So we have this small plate here. So just make sure that that guide also it's going through that
We got this cover.
guide. Yeah. Make sure you don't lose this one.
Now where, but
And can I have the new spring?
oh, you get this.
Yeah, just can I swap? I want this one.
You get this.
Yeah, but yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Using the new spring, just place the new spring here. My son doesn't want to. Okay, do you want to replace that? Okay, just put the spring there. Okay, so we have the new spring, and place the spool. Then
It don't go so well.
yeah, no,
No, don't go.
don't go.
You
Yeah,
need to go to there.
yeah. Okay, good. Okay, now place the bump knob. You place the bump knob. Make sure you place the bump knob there. Okay, just like that. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. Now it's in. Okay, come on.
Is that funny?
Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, now place the
There's
cover.
another.
Put the cover
yeah.
back.
I find another box.
Okay, so now it's all in.
I find this one.
So now we have to place the string back. So to place the string back, you have to line up the bump knob arrow with the arrow of the cover. So once it lines up, you can insert this one on one of the eyelet. So yeah, just insert this one.
It won't go.
Yeah, sure.
No, you need to take off it.
No.
Oh, take off. Take off it.
No.
I'll do it.
Huh? You just like this. I'll show you. This is magic. I'll show you. Just insert that. It's a magic. It's just like this. Okay, perfect. Yeah, just insert. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, it will go. It should go. Keep going. Yay! Perfect. And then pull from the other side. Yeah. That's good. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Yeah, you need to keep pulling until you have the same length on both ends. Okay, keep pulling.
That's a lot.
Because we have this mark here, so we know where it stops. But we need to, when you have a new string, make sure that this both ends here on the same length. Okay.
Okay.
He's pulling from underneath the table. That's fine. So now when the two length of string are the same, yeah, I have to hold this one because it's pulling from underneath. He's pulling from underneath the table. He's playing. Okay, rotate the bump. Stop it. Rotate the bump now. Okay, now he can't pull it anymore. It's all locked. So we have to rotate the bump out like this. Keep rotating. Keep rotating until he lost the grip of the other end.
Yes.
Oh, don't pull. No, that's it. Don't pull. They can't see you. Okay, that's it. Okay. Now keep pulling until you have something.
Oh, I get this.
Yeah. Okay. So enough length with that into the also on the other end. So that's it. And that's how it's easy to replace the trimmer head. Okay, son, come here. Come here,
It's
let's
slow
say.
then?
Okay, come here.
It's slow.
Okay, come here. Okay, thanks for watching, and that's all for today. And
Again.
come here.
No, again.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Say for more subscribe video. So subscribe our channel and subscribe our
And hit the notification
TikTok
bell.
and hit the notification bell and
And please like our video.
click like the video and then
And thanks for watching.
and press the
And thanks for watching,
TikTok
and I hope you
video
enjoy and found it
game
useful.
and
It's a bit
your
of a mess,
game.
but I think it's all good. Now he lost the spring. And thanks for watching, and see you next time. Say bye.
Bye bye. I got this string.